wow, Trump is about to dump all his Trump coins on his followers. And I have evidence for this. Look at this. His coins just jumped like 70% because he announced that he's going to hold a presidential dinner in the White House for the top token holders. But the timing seems very sus, don't you think? Because Trump is holding this presidential dinner for all his top coin holders, just as his coins are unlocking. Some $300 million worth, or 40 million tokens, right, are coming into circulation because it's after the 3-month cliff of Trump first being initially released. And after that, $4 million worth of Trump will unlock daily. So all that huge supply is now coming in. We're here right now. That's how much more Trump's coins will come into the market, right, on a daily basis. Because of all that supply is coming in, he needs some demand to absorb that. Because they're being unlocked, so he needs a chance to offload into a market with lots of demand. So therefore, this is one of the oldest tricks in all of crypto. When unlocks come, the foundation or the devs basically start some promotional events. Trump said this is to reward his followers. Yes, all those MAGA Trump followers all piled in to buy some of his meme coins, including myself. I'm not even a Trump MAGA follower. I'm just a crypto investor. I'm not even a Democrat or a Trump follower. But look, it's only the top 220 investors. Only the top 220 investors. Think about that. So to qualify, the 220th position right now holds something like 226,000 of these Trump coins, which 27,000, which equates to minimum $360,000. $360,000, and it's still going up, minimum. So I wonder if any of these real MAGA supporters and real MAGA voters can actually afford this dinner, right? Who is actually going to the dinner? It's people who can actually afford millions to buy one of these coins. Sounds like he's throwing a party, Trump's throwing a party for the Wall Street crowd. Anyways, isn't Trump supposed to be focusing on the art of the deal with China or with Europe right now? Isn't he supposed to be focusing on that rather than pumping his own meme coin? So the timing seems rather suspicious, don't you think? And this is me who used to support Trump because he was very pro-crypto. And I'm not a Democrat, I'm not a MAGA or a Republican. This is just an honest review of what Trump's up to.